All the supplies having you feel overwhelmed? Yeah, us too. Just never ends. Oh my God. So in this video, we're breaking down the essentials that you actually need, and just as important, the ones you don't.
2 days, 2 dogs, 1 rig, let's go. Running on coffee and kibble.
So you just bought an RV. Awesome. But here's the part nobody tells you. Buying the RV is just the beginning.
There's a lot of products out there, and not all of them are worth your time or your money.
And yeah, we made the classic mistake.
We bought the starter kit from the dealer, and honestly, we pretty much threw all of it out.
It looked like a good deal, but a lot of it didn't hold up.
So we went out and bought the stuff ourselves. We tested everything in real weekend trips, and here are the results. We returned what didn't work, we kept what did.
And yeah, we wasted some money along the way, but you don't have to.
So in this video, we're breaking down the essentials that you actually need, and just as important, the ones you don't. These are our tried and true tested essentials, so you're not wasting your money like we did.
All right, before you even think about setting up, you need to get your RV level. And no, close enough is not good enough. If you're not level, your fridge won't work right, your doors won't stay shut, and you're basically sleeping like this all night. This is where leveling blocks come in. They're simple, you stack them up like Legos under your tires and get your RV where you need it to be. And yeah, we tried doing it without them at first. Don't do that. These are one of those cheap essentials that make a huge difference the right way. And once you're level, don't skip this part. Wheel chocks. They keep your rig from rolling away. Get a solid set that actually grips the ground and holds the tires in place.
So first, you need to get a surge protector for your amp, 30 amp. This is not a nice to have. This is a need. This is something that can save your whole rig.
All right, so you're gonna need a water pressure regulator because campground water, yeah, it's all over the place. Some places are fine, some places will absolutely blast your RV's water system. So we recommend an adjustable pressure regulator with a gauge. We usually keep ours around 40 to 50 PSI. So leading off of the water pressure regulator, we obviously need some kind of drinking water hose. We like the Camco EvoFlex 2 hose. This one goes flat, rolls up nice, and fits nicely in the storage compartment.
Next up is a non-negotiable thing, the sewer hose kit. Something nobody really wants to talk about or deal with, but it's a requirement with the RV life. And this is something we recommend that you don't go cheap on. This kit's a little more expensive for a starter, but we learned don't go with those cheap starter hoses. They're just flimsy. You know, your crap water goes everywhere and it's just terrible. Spend the money, do it right the first time, and get the Camco sewer hose kit. Sometimes you need the whole kit, 20-foot kit, all stored in one little nice box, all cleaned up. Sometimes you also need a little more. We have an extra 10-foot hose that goes with it. But this is something not to go cheap on. Another must-have here is a water filtration device. Who knows what's in that campground water. This is a basic one, and also non-negotiable 90-degree elbow. Takes pressure off of your city water connection. BSI, scene safety. Always get yourself a pair of good disposable gloves. You'll thank me later. Also, make them orange, like the rest of the sewer stuff. Black tank flush hose. Once again, orange. Everything orange for the sewer. We have it hooked up to a Y splitter so we can run both flushes at the same time.
You're gonna need some kind of basic tools. There's always something for your husband to fix.
Get yourself a good tire pressure gauge and a tire inflator.
Your RV should come with a fire extinguisher, a CO2 alarm, and a fire alarm, and a propane alarm, and a lily. Well, no, they don't come with that, just ours.
Get yourself some toilet paper, septic safe, you don't need RV. And get yourself a good black tank treatment. We recommend the liquefied. Wouldn't poop without it. And there you have it. That's the RV essential gear you need just to get your rig up and running. Not the cool stuff, not the fun stuff, not the extra stuff. Just to get you in service and out for your first trip. all for about $300.
If this helped you out, hit that like button. And if you're just getting into RVing or you're figuring it out as you go, subscribe. We do this every weekend.
Tune in next week. We release every Thursday, sometimes Tuesdays and Thursdays, where we break down the fun stuff, the cool stuff, the extra stuff. Come weekend with us. We'll see you on the road. I think I'm gonna fall.
No.
I wanted to like fall out, but I think it'll be hurtful.
You don't do that.
What? Wish I could flip around here if there's a problem.
I don't remember. Hold on. You're gonna be on the box. Okay. You're just living in there now?
Alright, let's get to it. Break down.
You need help. That's what you need. Keep going. Come in the other way. There you go. Nope. You're on the ground. Your toes are on the ground.
Alright. That's probably.
How was that?
Oh, God. Not recommended.